This is the place where dreams come true, a place where they don't make flaws. Our day-to-day life is our living proof. Understand when you finally land here in the land of Oz. This is the land, this is the land, this is the land of Oz. Don't be afraid. Here in the land of Oz. There's so much living in a life to do, just learning universal laws, becoming aware we can finally choose to live in the land of Oz. 'Cause this is the land, this is the land, this is the land of Oz. We're in the land right here in the land of Oz. But not for what somebody else does. By finding out what this life is about and then getting out and making it known. There's no place like
going.
This way.
Oh, up here. Okay.
Okay, but there's another way. If you go over there, there's some stairs over there.
Okay.
a moment's renewed with our gratitude, and all we ever need is a pause. We're free to abide by the